51 Wise Principles for a Fulfilling Life. Principle 1. Mindfulness. More than a moment. Have you ever wondered what secrets lie in the quiet moments of life? What if I told you that mindfulness holds the key to a hidden world within the ordinary? A world where every moment is a gateway to profound discovery. Let me tell you about Thich Nhat Hanh, a Zen master who lived each second with profound mindfulness. He found deep wisdom in the ordinary, the way he held a cup, the manner he penned his words. He taught us that every act is an opportunity to connect with the present. Imagine a life where the simple act of sipping your morning coffee could be a dance with the universe, where every breath is a chance to connect deeply with the world around you. This isn't just a dream, it's the essence of mindfulness. What did Thich Nhat Hanh see in these simple moments that we often overlook? What wisdom did he uncover in the ordinary that we too can discover? Mindfulness isn't about adding something new to your life, it's about seeing what's already there with fresh eyes. Today, let's challenge ourselves. Let's find one routine activity and turn it into a mindful practice. Notice the textures, the colors, the sensations. Ask yourself, what have I been missing in this familiar scene? This is where your journey into mindfulness begins. As we delve deeper into the 51 principles of a fulfilling life, consider this. What untapped joys and insights are waiting for you in the ordinary? Follow along and let's discover together. Each moment is an invitation to a world of wonder and wisdom. And remember, your experiences and insights are valuable. Share them with us in the comments below. Perhaps you can open our eyes to new wonders every day. Let's inspire each other on this journey of mindfulness.